Looking for the best drones for beginners? To suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Ryze Tech T. Our pick for best budget drone for beginners. Are you looking for an affordable and user-friendly drone to kickstart your aerial photography journey? The Ryze Tech T is an excellent choice for beginners, combining ease of use with impressive features that will elevate your drone flying experience. The TE drone is lightweight and designed with simplicity in mind. With a high-quality image processor, you can capture stunning 5-megapixel photos and shoot HD videos at 720p resolution. Even if you're new to flying, the innovative Easy Shots feature allows you to effortlessly record professional quality videos and share them directly on social media from your smartphone. Boasting a maximum flight time of 13 minutes, the TE ensures you get ample time to explore your surroundings. Its powerful battery and dual antennas offer stable video transmission, meaning your flight is smooth and reliable. Equipped with DJI's advanced flight controller, the TE enables you to perform impressive aerial tricks, making it not just a tool for capturing footage, but also a source of enjoyment. Included with your TE are essential components such as 4 propellers, propeller guards, a rechargeable battery, a micro USB cable, and a propeller removal tool. This comprehensive package means you have everything you need to start flying right away. With the Ryze Tech TE, the world of drone flying is not just accessible, it's a thrill waiting for you to experience. Up next in 4th place is the Number 4. DJI Neo. Our pick for best controller-free pocket drone for beginners. The DJI Neo is the ideal pocket drone designed specifically for beginners like you who seek an easy yet captivating flying experience. Weighing a mere 135 grams, it is lightweight and regulation-friendly, eliminating the need for Federal Aviation Administration registration. This compact drone easily fits in your backpack or pocket, ready for spontaneous adventures. You'll appreciate the convenience of palm takeoff and landing. Simply push a button to launch the Neo from your hand. This unique feature makes it a hassle-free companion for family gatherings or outdoor outings with friends. With advanced subject tracking and 8 creative quickshot modes, you can effortlessly capture stunning videos and vlogs, making your memories come to life. The DJI Neo offers multiple control options, allowing you to fly without a controller, use your voice, or operate through the mobile app or remote-controlled. Whether you're celebrating a birthday or enjoying a picnic, these flexible controls make it easy for anyone to join in on the fun. Thanks to DJI's sophisticated stabilization technology, you can record 4K ultra-stabilized video, resulting in smooth and high-quality footage even in windy conditions. Plus, with full coverage propeller guards, you can fly confidently around obstacles without fear of mishaps. The standard DJI Neo package includes everything you need to start flying right away, making it an exceptional choice for aspiring drone enthusiasts. Number 3. Holystone HS360S. Our pick for best GPS-equipped drone for beginners. Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography experience with the Holystone HS360S? The ideal GPS-equipped drone for beginners. Weighing in at just 249 g, this lightweight drone eliminates the hassle of Federal Aviation Administration registration, allowing you to focus on capturing stunning footage without worry. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera featuring a Galaxy Core sensor, the HS360S allows you to capture breathtaking 3840x2160 pixel photos and videos. The camera's 85-degree wide-angle lens can be remotely adjusted by 90 degrees, giving you the flexibility to unleash your creativity from various perspectives. The advanced connectivity technology enables you to link your smartphone to the drone's controller with just one data cable, facilitating real-time image streaming, even without Wi-Fi. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet and a powerful modular battery that provides 20 minutes of flight time, the possibilities for exploration are virtually endless. Feel secure in your flying experience with the HS360S's precise GPS positioning. This feature not only ensures stable flight, but also includes a reliable return home function, guiding the drone back to you when the battery is low or if the connection is lost. The Holystone HS360S is more than just a drone. It's your companion for discovering new heights in photography and adventure. Start your flying journey with confidence and creativity today. Number 2. Ruko F11PRO 2. Our pick for best long-flight drone for beginners. Are you looking to capture unforgettable moments with ease? The Ruko F11PRO 2 is the ideal long-flight drone for you, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot. With its advanced features, you're set to elevate your photography and videography game. Equipped with a 6K camera and capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second, this drone transforms everyday moments like backyard barbecues or family outings into stunning cinematic experiences. The premium image sensor lens ensures vibrant colors and intricate details, bringing your world to life. Stability is critical for capturing dramatic aerial footage, and the F11PRO 2 doesn't disappoint. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal provides outstanding stability, allowing you to fly confidently even in breezy conditions. With 2 batteries, you can enjoy up to 70 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of opportunities to explore and shoot. This drone also simplifies your aerial adventures with intelligent GPS flight modes such as Follow Me, Orbit Flight, and Waypoint Planning. These features make it easy to film professional quality content, even if you're new to flying drones. Additionally, the F11PRO 2's night mode opens up a whole new world of possibilities for nighttime flying, offering captivating visuals you won't want to miss. With a substantial 10,000-foot range, you can explore vast spaces with a reliable connection. So, gear up for your next adventure and let the Ruko F11PRO 2 capture your most cherished moments. And finally, the Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. Our pick for best drone for beginners overall. Are you searching for a user-friendly drone that pairs convenience with impressive performance? The DJI Mini 4K is designed for those who want to unleash their creativity without the complexities often associated with drone piloting. Weighing just under 249 grams, this lightweight drone allows you to skip Federal Aviation Administration registration, so you can get straight to the fun of flying. With its 4K Ultra HD capability and a steady 3-axis gimbal, you can effortlessly capture stunning footage, whether you're recording a breathtaking sunset or the vibrant nightlife of your city. Its resilient brushless motors enable stable flights even in level 5 winds. And with a takeoff altitude of up to 4,000 m, the sky is truly the limit. Safety is a top priority with features like GPS return to home, ensuring that you can fly confidently knowing your drone will return safely. For those looking to enhance their shots, the Quick Shots mode transforms you into a filmmaker in moments. Just select your desired shot and let the drone do the rest. With battery options offering flight times of up to 93 minutes, the DJI Mini 4K empowers you to explore and create without interruption. Embrace your adventurous spirit, elevate your filming skills, and let the DJI Mini 4K become an essential companion on your journey to innovative storytelling. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which drone for beginners you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.